How to set an invisible username on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Discord application on your device. After that, go to your Discord application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and all you have to do is tap on edit profile. Now as you can see your display name over here, now just make sure that you cut out your username over here, and you can set any emoji or anything over here if you want. If you want, then you can also keep it blank. And as you remove your display name, what you can see is your username as well as your display name will be the same one. Then tap on save, and here you'll be able to set an invisible username on Discord. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.